Hello guys, and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the key scenarios that can unfold here on the Polygon Matic chart on the short term and also on the long term. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the highs we made above the 0.297, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where you can see that I have been terming this initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave before getting another pullback in the formation of this wave 3. Then we got a wave 4 bounce over here into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using that red target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting the next leg to the downside in the formation of this wave 5. And the minimum target areas for that wave 5 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that wave 3. And the first target area for the wave 5 was on the fib level 0.618, and that was below the 0.193, an area that we have not fully maximized. And there's a very high chance that the low is in the formation of that wave 5. And in the next coming days, we can easily start another bounce to the upside, maybe to give us a 3-wave corrective structure before we can see the next movement here on the Polygon Matic chart. And based on the massive liquidation event that we saw last week, where we got this massive wick, there are two possible scenarios that can unfold here on the Polygon Matic chart. And the first one is that maybe in the next coming hours, we are going to continue holding above this significant low over here, above the 0.179. And as long as we continue holding above that, there's a very high chance that we can get a reversal, get a break above the high we made above the 0.21198, flip it back into support, maybe with a retest, continue pushing higher, break above the highs we made in this wave 4 above the 0.25382, continue pushing higher, and on that bounce I will need to see a substantial break above the high we made above the 0.29667 for me to flip more bullish and expect even higher prices here on the Polygon Matic chart. But if by any chance we continue seeing further weakness and we lose our significant low down here below the 0.179, flipping it back into support, that is into resistance, there's a very high chance that Polygon Matic is going to give us a weak fill of this wick that we left over here before we can start our next reversal to the upper side. And the moment we start getting such breakdown moves, Polygon Matic will also be at a very high risk of getting one more new, that is a new bear market low in the next coming weeks. So that is something else that we need to have in the back of our minds. And those are the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart in the next coming days. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.